Hey everyone, Sky here with BigBattery, and I'm here with our 36V Gator Max. Now if you've seen our product video, you know that this battery is a great solution for upgrading your golf cart or RV. But did you know that we also offer a Gator kit designed specifically for forklifts? So many warehouses today use forklifts that are powered by propane tanks or lead acid batteries, both of which are toxic, hazardous, and inefficient. But our forklift conversion kit can keep your warehouse and your team members safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. We're so confident in these kits that we use them in our warehouse, and our forklifts perform incredibly. Let's head back there to see one in action. Alright, so here we have 4 of our 36V Gator Maxes, 4 come in a kit. And this entire kit right here can be charged in only 4 hours. And in return, it gives you a 14-hour runtime, so all day long. Plus, it can be opportunity charged throughout the day. So if you needed to, you go to lunch, you plug your forklift in, and you're guaranteed to be good to go for the second half of the day. This kit can last you up to 10 years. So instead of replacing your lead acid batteries every couple years or buying new propane tanks, you can buy this kit once. With brand new A123 cells and 20 kilowatt hours of capacity, this is one of the most powerful forklift kits on the market today for the price. And as always, it requires zero maintenance, it's easily installed, it's made in the US, and it's guaranteed to be the lowest cost upgrade kit in its class available today. This kit not only upgrades your forklift, but can improve your entire warehouse operations. And we know for many businesses out there, if you're gonna make the switch to lithium-ion, you're gonna go all in. That's why here at BigBattery, we offer incredible discounts on bulk purchases. Plus, if you become a BigBattery wholesale member, you not only receive great wholesale pricing, but added benefits such as a dedicated service rep and personalized recommendations about which battery solution is right for you and your business. To learn more about the 36V Gator Max kit, head to the link in the description below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more battery content, and visit us at bigbattery.com to learn more about our energy solutions.